Welcome to the ABC Learning. Let's go for a learning adventure, my little champs.
A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
A is for apple, apple. B is for ball, ball. D is for dog, dog. E is for egg, egg. F is for fish, fish. G is for goat, goat. H is for hat, hat.
My little champs, I hope you enjoy this lecture. So bye-bye, kids, and forget to click the subscribe button.